write the equation of a sine function that has the given characteristics. Now, what are the characteristics? We're told that the amplitude of the sine function is 3 and the period is 5, and we're also told that it is a sine function. Now, the general form of a sine function is y equals a sine of omega x. So the a you have here, it represents the amplitude, while the omega here is obtained from the period by the formula t equals 2 pi all over omega. So 2 pi all over omega. So this t here is the period. So we are given that the amplitude is 3. So that is the amplitude, the absolute value of a. So we know that the amplitude is the absolute value of a here, and it's 3. Now if you're told that the absolute value of a is 3, so that implies that a must either be plus or minus 3. Now the bone of contention is you begin to wonder, which do you choose? Do you choose the positive 3 or the negative 3? Well, to not confuse things in this lecture, we are going to be using the positive one. But if the question demands that you consider all cases, then you should consider both the positive and the negative one. But if you look at the question, it says write the equation of a sine function, just one, so we just need a sine function. But if it says write the equation of sine functions without the a, then you can consider both the negative one and the positive one. But since the question just says just write the equation of just one sine function based on the a you have here, the adjective you have here, is it an adjective? I'm not sure, but it should be a equals plus or negative 3, right? So it says just write the equation of just one sine function, so we just need one of them. So either you choose your a to be 3 or you choose your a to be negative 3, you're still correct. But by convention, they usually choose your a to be positive, so we are going to take our a to be 3 just by convention. So now we know our a. So the next thing I want to find is my omega. Now how do I find my omega? I've been told that my t, which is period, is 5. So 5 equals 2 pi all over omega. So to find omega, I'm going to cross multiply. So you have omega times 5 equals 2 pi. So to find omega, you divide both sides by 5. So this goes off, and then your omega is going to be 2 pi all over 5. So now I have my omega, I have my a. I'm going to make the substitution here. So my y, so we come back here. So y is going to be, so my a, this is my a here, which is 3 sine. My omega, this is my omega here, which is 2 pi all over 5 all over 5x. So the function which we are told to find is y equals 3 sine 2 pi over 5x. So that completes the problem. It's a short problem.